Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download the YouTube app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the YouTube app on your PC or laptop, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome. And once you're on your Google Chrome, next I want you to open the YouTube website. So just search for youtube.com on your search bar. And now that you're on the website, next, I want you to take a look at the top right of your screen, and then you will see this download icon right here, just beside the bookmark icon. So you can use this to download the YouTube website as an actual app. So just go and click it. And then click install. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your YouTube installed as an app, so you can now use and access it more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.